Motoko's first lady. Kiss it. I like it when we touch like that. I like it when we kiss like that. When we do like that. I like it when you look at me just like that. When you touch me like that. Motoko's first lady. I come from that town, a place called Tiwa. You know what time it is.
He's filming Gigi though. Now you scream, I scream, now that's enticing. You sing the same songs as that Mike Boy Tyson. Bite and see that you ain't never been writing bubbles and posh things, but you ain't never been spicy.
Keep part of my favorite to come up Gigi main, so it's representing Dream Team Channel Power.
I'm going to say I started rapping ages ago. I've been singing all my life. So I met up with Bukuli and Mumuli in Meftown. I think back in the days we were doing expressions show. So I saw a gap that we don't have enough Motoko female rappers, especially from the Meftown, because that's where Motoko comes from. So yeah, and I think that's about it.
So Gigi the main, she's been writing poetry. She started with her love for the Tupacs, the Nas's, Lauryn Hill, Salt and Pepper, and my mom was a big fan of hip hop already. And yeah, man, got into the ciphers, the slap races, started performing, doing ciphers and back to the city, and here we are now.
I think people are always going to box us because we're females. They're always going to say female rapper, But the challenges that we go through every day is we have to prove ourselves. We have to work twice as hard as the guys to prove that we can actually really rap, That's the challenge that I go through every time, every day of my life, every studio session that I have with every guy. I always have to step up a bit just to prove that I can rap. So yeah.
And I also feel like it's something that us as female rappers have the power to get out of. So be the best of the guys, Try and rap like you're the best of the boys. At the end of the day, it's always going to come up, I was speaking to someone, you're always going to be that female rapper because of your anatomical makeup. But you have to break through those boundaries. And like Fifi said, you have to work twice as hard to prove that you can do everything.
So when they box me as a female rapper, I don't really care because I know that I'm here for a reason and I rap for a reason. I believe that as the talent that God wanted to give me. So at the end of the day, it's not a competition. It's just proving to SA that we really have talent in our country and all they have to do is just support us.
I came into the industry and all these female rappers were already there. So trying to find your gap maybe in the industries where you need to try and find a voice that hasn't told a particular story. So yes, the normal girl from Soweto hasn't heard a story from Gigi. The last person who sort of wrote that chapter was Mshoza, Washia, halfway sisters, Manaksha. Now we need to kind of carry on telling that story. We need to tell the story about people who are also too school for cool, people who like reading, people who like learning about stuff. There's nothing wrong with being the black youth in the country that we are and wanting to do different things with your life apart from being a doctor or a nurse or an accountant. We're here to empower the youth to do more with their lives than what we've been handed to as the black youth or what we've believed to be our sort of yardsticks as the black youth in South Africa.
If you love music, you're going to love everything. You're going to love the critics because it's part of what you do. You're going to enjoy getting the love from your fans.
Yeah. No, I definitely feel because I've always had a theatrical background, the art of music, finally we have the new age of rap where it's whole, it's everything, you can now go into a studio and people can respect you like they respect the male rappers. You can now go onto stage and you hear people cheering for you and that is amazing. For female rappers, I honestly feel like 2015 is probably the start of female rappers solidifying. 2015 is probably the start of female rappers solidifying themselves in the music industry, And at the end of the day, it's about us, as a collective. Yes, we're individual female rappers, but if somebody's releasing and somebody's doing something, let's push her because the chances of her getting us booked as well because she's a female rapper are higher. And the sooner we start to think like that, the better.
I would say to every little girl back home who would like to get in the rap game, you must be able to understand that there are many challenges keep your things to yourself and just work hard, man. Go out